Welcome back, Earning Edge crew. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing platform like a breath of fresh air, and it is OnePulse.com, communicating with consumers to gather insights. I just find this platform to be very user-friendly, very rewarding. It really compensates us fairly for our time and effort. OnePulse differentiates itself is the fact that it actually sends push notifications to users and notifies you when there are new paid surveys available for you to take for many of the survey platforms out there. You actually have to visit the platform and then search for surveys. And hopefully, in some cases, you'll find a survey or two to take you. You don't have to do that here. You are notified in your email when surveys are available or through the app with the push notifications that they send out on a very regular basis. Another big differentiator is that with some survey platforms or platforms that offer research studies, when you have completed the survey, you have to wait days, sometimes weeks, sometimes even a month to get paid. With OnePulse, the minute you're done with your survey, you're going to get compensated for it, and that payment is going to be sent upon completion instantly. Now, this next one for me is the biggest advantage. None of their surveys have more than 3 questions. 3 questions, 3 not 2, 3 questions, and you're done. And basically, a survey will typically take you seconds to get through those 3 questions, but that's not all. Those surveys are typically formatted in multiple choice style and require merely 30 to 45 seconds for you to complete them. As a result of that, you are able to earn efficiently without committing extensive periods of time to make the few dollars that you can from completing surveys. Another big advantage is that your earnings aren't static. OnePulse actually used is a scale based on user level, and the more consistent you are with participating in surveys, the higher your level is. The more you're going to earn for each survey. The amount you're going to make per survey, like I said earlier, will depend on your level. If you're at level 1, your survey rate will be about 25 cents. And remember, these surveys take seconds for you to complete them. But you can go all the way up to level 17, and at level 17, you're earning about 41 cents per survey. So it's very easy having traffic from a survey perspective to make $350 in almost 3 to 4 hours. Because remember, each survey is only 3 questions, and they take on average about 30 seconds for you to complete. So at level 17, when you're making 41 cents per survey, and the survey takes you about 30 seconds, it means that in a minute, you'll be able to do 2 surveys because there's 60 seconds in a minute, right? So 2 surveys per minute for an hour, you can do 2 tours 60, which is 120 surveys per hour. Now, 120 surveys per hour times 41 cents. That is where I'm getting the $49 per hour from, and it's definitely possible. So the payment threshold on OnePlus is $20. So after you complete your survey, you will see your amount pop up on your account immediately, which is the instant payment that I mentioned earlier. But you have to wait until your amount that you have earned accumulates to $20, which is the payment threshold. So the push notifications are so important because the minute you see that survey is available, you go in and take it. So you'll quickly be able to accumulate the amount you need to start really earning by cashing out. OnePulse emerges as a beacon for those who are seeking genuinely user-friendly platform that will provide a rewarding experience. And while it does come with its own imperfections and demands, patience for substantial payouts, it's transparent, it's straightforward, and it's a refreshing alternative because it pays significantly more than many of the other surveys out there that will take you 30 seconds to complete. That's it, guys. So you soon.